A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Myself Jishan Abdul Rahman from grade 5. I am standing here to discuss on a very interesting topic, global warming. Human activities are increasing greenhouse effect. When the people drive a car or operate a factory, they burn coal, oil, and other fuels. These adds extra greenhouse gases to the air, and extra gases traps the air. As air pollution increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This gas traps the heat of sun and increase the temperature of the earth. The global warming in the steady rises in the temperature of the Earth's surface. Global warming is causing adverse environmental changes. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Aryan Moria from grade 5. Today my topic is global warming. Global warming is a steady rise in the average temperature of the earth. Human activity causes the greenhouse effect. This leads to global warming. When people drive a car and operate a factory, they burn coal, oil and other gases. These is greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are methane, water vapor, carbon dioxide, etc. There are many effects of global warming. It harms the living organism. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present over here. This is Adnan Faizi of grade 5. Today present here to discuss about on a very important topic, global warming. As we all know that the rising pollution causes are increasing our Earth's temperature. Whenever we burn something down or when we drive cars or bikes, it adds greenhouse gases into the air, which traps more heat and make our planet hotter, which is known as global warming. We should understand this problem's seriousness as fast as we can, because last year the winter started in December, but according to the temperature scale of India, the winters should start in November, which means that the global warming caused the winter's late arrival. Gases like methane, ethane and chlorofluorocarbon are released when we use ACs and fridge. We should use them to our need and never misuse them. In the end, I want to say that if we never stopped polluting our earth, then in around 100 years, the earth would become a burning ball of gases. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant morning to everyone. This is Alishma Ansari of Standard 5, standing in CBSE competitive school where pencils are sharp and competition are sharper. And today I will be talking about global warming. Global warming is the steady rise in the average temperature of the Earth's surface. Human activity like driving cars, operating factories, burning of coal, oil and other fuels are creating a very high global warming. It can also cause the polar ice caps to melt. In this, we have to use 3 R's in our daily life. First, recycle. Metals, papers, plastic can be recycled to a new item. Second, reuse. Clothes can be reused with needy peoples. And last, reduce. Buy whatever you want. Buy that you need. Don't waste or throw anything away. Understand my words. If you're doing this again and again and polluting our whole surrounding, one day you will also get dead. That's all, and a very warm thank you to listening me.
Good morning to all of you, teachers and all dear my friend. My name is Blue Singh from class 4, 5th. Today my topic is global warming. Human activity can increase very heat. We travel from the car and make many factories to burn fuels and oils, and many mix harmful gases in environment. This adds extra many harmful gases in the environment is called global warming. Global warming is rises in the average temperature of the Earth's surface. Cases of the global warming. The cases of global warming. Global warming case all living life is impossible on the Earth. To prevent a global warming, use, reuse, reduce and recycle. Recycle means metal and plastics to reuse. Reuse means the not any things throwing in the environment. We use the reuse. Reduce means the thank you. Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Ayush Kishore from Standard 5. Today we will deliver a speech on the topic of global warming. Human activities are increased greenhouse effect. When people drive a car or operate a factory, they burn coal, oil, and other fuels. This extra adds greenhouse gases, and they increased heat. They increased heat. This is called global warming. Thank you.
Good morning to respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Diksha from Standard 5th, and I talk about on the very critical and very important topic is global warming. The human activities increases the greenhouse gases. When people drive cars and operated factories, they burn coal, oil, and fuel, etc. This is led to be global warming. Air pollution increases amount of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere is called global warming. That's all for today. Heartful thank you and have a nice day.
Human activities are increases greenhouse effect. Alright guys, this is Aisha Parvez from Standard 5. Today I am here to talk about very critical topic, which is global warming. Global warming is rises in the temperature of Earth, atmosphere, ocean. Air pollution or increases the amount of carbon dioxide atmosphere. The sun heats
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Myself, Anand Kumar from Standard 5, currently studying in CBSE competitive school. And today I am here to discuss about a very critical topic on global warming. So first we know that what is global warming. In the process of global warming, the gases of the greenhouse gases were mixed in the air, and the air can depletion of wind, and this is process is known as global warming. The rising increasing number of temperature, it is caused by the global warming. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of global warming. Human activities increases the gas of greenhouse. When people drive a car or operate a factory, fuels, oils and gases, coal are burned. They burn and to add extra gases, artificial gases to the greenhouse, and the extra heat are thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Prem Sagar Raj from class 4. Today my topic is global warming. Human activities increasing the global warming. When we drive a car or operate a factory, they burn coal, oil and fuels. So वो सारा है.
A very good morning to all of you. My name is MD Asif. I standard class 5. Today my topic is global warming. Humans activities are including the Greenland effects. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ahana of grade 5th, and today I am standing here to talk about global warming. Human activities increase the greenhouse effects. When the people drive a car or operated a factory, they will burn coal, oil and other fuels. This add extra greenhouse gases in the air. This has the lead of global warming. There are three uses of RS in our daily life. First, recycle. Second, reuse. Third, reduce. Thank you.
A very warm, pleasant morning to all present here. This is Saurav Kumar from Standard 5th. Currently I study CBSE Competitive School. Today we are going to discuss about global warming. Humans' activities and increasing to greenhouse effects. When people driving car to the oil and these others coilas and fuels, there are various areas to conflict greenhouse more. That's global warming in fact to various things. That's in fact there is very constable, that is glaciers, global warming. That's the floods and etc. And thank you for have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respective principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today my topic name is global warming. Human activities are increasing the greenhouse effect. When the people drive a car and operate a factory, they burn to coal and oils and other fuels. That's all. Thank you. Human activities are. Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all dear my friend. My name is Samar Kumar from Standard 5th, and today I am going to golden opportunity to share my thoughts on the topic of global warming. As we know that global warming is very harmful for us. Global warming is very harmful for us. Global warming can. That's all. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant morning. This is an all presents here. This is Ayush of grade 5th. Today I am chance to share my experience on the topic of global warming. Human activities are the importance in global warmings. When people drive the car and operate the factories and burning coal, oil and other fuels, these gases are These add gases are important of dangerous for the plants. That's all for today. But thank you.
First is a very good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. My name is Raghavendra Patel, standard 5th. Today my topic is global warming. Global warming is the rise temperature, earth atmosphere and the lake. The air pollution of the increased amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Atmosphere is 78%. It is the gas of the impact of the heat of the sun object in the atmosphere. There are the three types of the global warming in the recycle, reduce, refuge. Are the three main type of the global warming in the say of the weather and the condition of the living things. That will thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is MD Sajid from Standard 5th. Today I am here to deliver a speech about global warming. Human activities increase the greenhouse, and when a people drive a car or operate a factory, they burn coal, petrol and other fuels. This adds extra to greenhouse gases and enter to the air, and the other extra gases trapped more heat. This lead is called global warming. That's all. Thank you.
I want to thank the Hair official who gave a golden opportunity to say something about the topic of global warming. Good morning to all of you. My name is Kunan Ansari of Standard 5th. Today my topic is global warming. Global warming is a greenhouse gas affected by the pollution. Global warming is increasing the greenhouse gas effect when people drive a car or operate a factory. They burn coal, oil and other fuels. This is need to global warming. Global warming is extra pollution when polluted by pollution. We live in global warming because global warming is not affected by living. Global warming is affected by pollution. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Swami Sai from class 5th. Today my topic is global warming. Global warming, warm weather cloud harm living things. Its clouds also cause the polar ice caps to melting. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. Myself Alak of grade 5th and currently studying in CBSE competitive school. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of global warming. Global warming is the rise in temperature of Earth atmosphere and ocean. They add extra greenhouse and air and the extra green gases to the mixture of global warming. It is called global warming. Global warming keys to environmental change. So that's all very helpful. Thank you for your attention.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Aditya Yadav from class 5th. Today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of global warming. Human activity are
Good morning to all of you. My name is Shivam Kumar from Standard 5th. I am standing here before you to say something about global warming. Human activities are increasing the greenhouse effect. People drive car, operate a factory. They burn oil and other fuels.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all dear my friends. My name is Ayan Saras from class 5th. Today my topic is global warming. The first we know that what is global warming. The process of
the process of extra gases add air to the extra trapped heat. It is known as global warming. Global warming caused air polluted to cars, bus, and factories, etc.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Divyanshu Pandey, class 5th. Today my topic is global warming. Today, human activities are increasing a date. When people drive a car, operate from. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Aditya Panda from class 5. Today my topic is global warming. Global warming is the rise of temperature in the earth atmosphere and ocean. Air pollution is increased by carbon dioxide in the air. This gas traps the heat of sun and increase the temperature of earth. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Adarsh Kumar for standard 5th. Today I will speak on the topic of global warming. Human activities are the creature of the today. I will speak operator, dear man. This is the car of the. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Pratham Singh. I read in class 5th, and today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of global warming. Global warming is the human activities increase the greenhouse in cars and compounds of the factories in varied types of pollutants, words, coils, fuels. It is a very dangerous of global warming. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one of present here. I am a Pradeep from grade 5th. Today I am delivering a short speech on the topic of the global warming. A human activity increasing the greenhouse activities. When people drive car, bus, bike, etc. and operate factories, they burning oil, coal and other fuels, etc. This adds extra the gases of greenhouse from the air pollution is increasing the CO2 in the atmosphere. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Arya Singh from class 5. Today I talk about on a critical topic, global warming. Global warming is the rise in the temperature of the earth, atmosphere, and ocean. Air pollution increases the carbon dioxide and the temperature. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Avtali from standard 5. Today my topic is global warming. Global warming is a human activity. Human activities is effect is a. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principals, and all my dear friends. My name is Aryan Singh. I read in class 5. My topic is warming ocean. The human's part is Greenlands are called warmings in farmer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Arslan Thani from class 5. Today my topic is global warming. global warming. Human activity is the residing in a greenhouse. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Suresh Singh from Standard 5th. Today I am deliver a short speech on the topic of global warming. The harness of warm in global warming it the weather, cloud weather and it affect living things. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Prince Panda from class 5. Today my topic is global warming. Global warming is the forming is the atmosphere, ocean is the. Thank you. Have a nice day.
First of all, very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all dear my friends. My name is Satyan Kumar. I read in class 5. Today I discuss about speech on the topic of global warming. The global warming is atmosphere is air of the called known are also which global warming. That's what I.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. Here I am a Pratishtha. I study in 5th class. Today's my topic is global warming. Global warming is the studies of temperature of Earth's surface. Thank you.
Good morning to all of respected teacher, principal, all my dear friends. My name is Yamsam from class 5. Today my topic is a global warming. A global warming is a human activity are increasing the greenhouse effect
A very pleasant morning to an all present here. My name is Ash of grade P. And today I want to deliver a morning speech on the topic of global warming, human activity and the effect. Thank you. Good morning to all of you respected principal, teacher and all my dear. My name is Amarjit, I stand in class 5th. Today our topic is global warming. Human activities are increasing. Human activities are increasing effect where people drive car. Thank you.
Good morning to all of respected chairperson, principal, teachers and all dear friends. Myself, Fani Kumari, standard with my experience on short topic name is global writing. The head.
Human activities are increasing the greenhouse. Human activities are increasing the greenhouse. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principal, all my dear friends. My name is Azad Kumar from Standard 5th. My topic is global warming. Global warming is the rise in the temperature of the earth. Atmosphere and ocean air pollution is the increases the global warming. Thank you.
First of all, a very pleasant morning to all our present here. Myself, Alkama Sai from Grand 5. Today I am short speech on the topic of global warming. Human activity increasing the graduation effect, fuel oil, human activities, coal, petroleum and harms. Thank you, Nadia.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aditya Kumar studying in grade 5 and I am here to represent an speech and my speech topic is global warming. Global warming is rises the temperature in the earth's atmosphere and oceans. The air pollution cause the increase of CO2. This gas traps the sun heat and increases the temperature on the earth. Thank you.